What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safezone Unicorn Network video. Let's go! Hey guys! Well, today for you I have a video that one of the subscribers here in the channel has asked me to do, and which is how to deposit funds into your Pernum multi-wallet. It's if you don't know, it's the Pernum, it's the wallets that we have here within our Safezone, where you can make transfers, eventually payments. We are getting also we have now the possibility to request a virtual debit card and also a physical debit card. So great things are coming our way, guys. So cool. And obviously, guys, if you haven't watched still that video that I did about the Pernum wallet, go check it out, okay? Now, the Pernum, here we are on the Safezone. You just click here on the Pernum, and this opens, and then you click on wallet. And guys, I'm already logged in, so probably this will be go straight to my. Oh, actually no. So what you need to do, if you are logged into the Safezone, you need to insert your master pin. So not your master pin, your 3 random digits from your 6-digit master pin, and you insert your 3 random digits, and you click on next, and you are sent to your Pernum multi-wallet, as you can see here. Okay, so what do we need to do now? It's quite simple, guys. You just scroll down and you go here to the deposits, and there we have at the moment several ways for us to deposit our funds within the Pernum multi-wallet. So you click on deposit, and as you can see, guys, we have actually 4 of them are available, 2 of them not yet. Okay, so we can deposit through US dollars. If you are in US dollars, or eventually you want to send directly US dollars, so you just click here, deposit US dollars. And important here, US dollars can be deposited by bank wire and will be instantly converted into USDY, which is backed 100% by US dollars. So the USDY is the equivalent stable coin on our YAM chain. And guys, the YAM chain, if you don't know, it's the blockchain that was created for our rainbow currency. If you don't know anything about the YAM chain, I will leave a video that I did explaining all about it. So you're backed by 100% by US dollars, less any bank fees, and less a 1% conversion fee. USDY can be converted back into US dollars and be sent to any bank account at any time. So you need to grab these details. So this is going to be the account name. Then this is going to be the bank details that you need to insert on your wire transfer. Okay, the country, sorry guys, the currency, USD, the sort code. So these are going for, this is, I believe, just for payments within the UK. If you are in UK, you need to add this sort code, and the account number, it's this number. And also for payments within UK, the IBAN, it's going to be this, all this number here. So the account number, guys, is just for if you are within the UK, okay, and this sort code. Then the IBAN, which is your international bank account number, okay, that you need to send to this account number. The BIC, the BIC, which is the bank international code, okay, it's going to be this one. Then the full name, which is Prepaid Financial Services Limited, Client Funds USD. You need to insert all of this. Then the address, City International Operations, 200 ST, Sweden's House, ST, so you need to insert all of this. And finally, the reference, you need also to insert this reference on your, when you are making this wire transfer. And after you go to your bank or your online banking and you make that transfer, okay, once you complete the transfer, you want to post your bank account number in here, okay, and also your bank international code in here. Then you want to upload the proof of payment that you really made that transfer. You click on upload, and I believe if you need to click here to submit, and you are done. So this step for the US dollars, it is this. Then for the euros, okay, it's a little different. So deposits. So for the euros, it's the details are different. Okay, so the beneficiary is going to be Dragon Global Solutions Limited. So this is actually, guys, this is the company that is allowing us to have our Pernum multi-wallet, the Dragon Global, and also the company Dragon Global Solutions. It's also the company that has allowed us to have our liquidity platform and also our bridge coin. Guys, incredible, guys. We have incredible things. And also, I've already did a couple of videos about it, so I will leave those videos on the cards and on the description. So this is the address that you need to insert on your wire transfer, okay? So it's the same, can be deposit bank wire. So it will be converted to EURY, which is the stable coin for in our YAM chain, backed up 1% by euros, less than bank fees and 1% conversion fee. Then this is going to be the IBAN, International Bank Account Number, the BIC. So this is going to be the bank. You need to also the bank address and the reference. I believe this is DG for Dragon Global for sure. Then you need to, after you make the payment, do if you probably from your bank you can get a screenshot or a PDF or something. You upload it here, and then you insert your account number, your BIC. You click upload, click submit, and then upload. Guys, you check it out. I'm not thoroughly sure if you first. I believe you probably need to submit, and then you need to upload your proof of payment. And this is the things, the steps that you need to take for the team to get all of these details faster and to get your funds within your Pernum multi-wallet much faster. Then we have, you can deposit, guys, through BTC, so Bitcoin. You click here, and very simply, guys, so the BTC can be deposited by blockchain transfer and will be instantly converted into BTCY, which is also the stable coin for the Bitcoin, which is backed 100% by BTC and less 1% conversion fee. BTCY can be converted back into BTC and be sent to any BTC wallet at any time. So all you need to do is you need to make the transfer to this wallet address. Okay, so you need to copy very well this wallet, or you can just copy it, and then after you make the transfer, wherever you may have BTC, guys, for instance, I use Coinbase, I use also cex.io, I also use crypto.com, and guys, I will leave those videos on the cards if you want to, eventually, if you don't have BTC and you want to get it, okay, and I will leave those links also on the description. And then you just need to insert here your wallet address, you need to submit it, and then your transfer will go through. This is for the BTC, and also we can do it through Ethereum, so ETH. The same thing, it's going to be converted into ETHY, so Ethereum in our YAM chain, backed 100% by Ethereum at a 1% conversion fee, and it can be also converted back into Ethereum and sent to your Ethereum wallet at any time. So very simply, you just copy this, okay, this wallet address, you copy it, and you make your transfer within your Ethereum wallet, and then you just simply click here, you insert your wallet address, and you click on submit. And so you need to fill this field, obviously, okay, and then submit, and you are done. Now we have, I don't believe that it's working, at least the last time I checked it wasn't. So okay, exactly, not yet. So very soon, guys, we are going to have a new way to deposit, which is through MoneyPawn. And guys, I did a video about MoneyPawn a while back, and I will also leave a video that I did about MoneyPawn very soon. And we are going to have a different type of MoneyPawn. It's called MoneyPawn Express, that we are having very, very soon. So this is going to be another way for you to eventually, in the very near future, to also deposit your funds. So guys, basically this is it, what I would like to share about the deposits through our Pernum multi-wallet. Great things happening, guys, amazing things happening here on our Unicorn network. Now, if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell and turn on your notifications so that you can receive all of my videos. And as always, it is a pleasure being here with you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you very, very soon.